Okay, now I will tell you how to change the inflatable time. Let's go. The touchscreen control panel, choose parameter setting here. Here inflatable time, and now 2 seconds. Okay, let's make one bag. Okay, this bag, more gas. I change small number here. 0.5. Save. Okay, let's make one empty bag again. This bag, here is bag, and the last bag. Let's see. And now, change another one. 0.03, smaller one. Save. Okay, let's do and then make one empty bag again. Okay. And this one. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone. Okay, let me check this parameter. Inflatable time. So if you want small, then save. Okay, let's check the bag. You say it's small, guys. Okay. Point 2, then save. Let's check again. This bag is full, guys. This bag is less. Can you see? Hello everyone. Okay, let's check the machine details. The touch screen parameter. This one, inflatable time. And here is point 2. Okay, less than. Then save. Tester. Okay. Two. this bag less than this bag of guys. Do you understand? Thank you.